Alright, ready?
Hey.
So, hey guys, we thought you would like to look at our very own camper of the mods that we've done and some beautiful interior decorating that this woman's done. Very talented.
Thank you.
Right now.
Hey, welcome to our channel. I'm Carrie. This is Mark. We are the Art of RVing. If you are a first time, is that gonna mess you up? Hey guys, welcome to our channel. I'm Carrie. This is Mark. We are the Art of RVing. If you are a first time viewer, we'd love it if you'd hit that subscribe button. It helps us a lot on YouTube. It's just how YouTube works. If you're a returning viewer, thanks again for watching. We're on Instagram. Hit us up there, and we're gonna show you a tour of our camper today. Okay, just past the kitchen is our little dinette. This does convert into a bed. We've never had to do that.
No kidding.
Because we don't have...
They all do. I'm sorry.
Past the kitchen is our little dinette. It's perfect for the two of us. It's quite large. We hang out here a lot, eat, write notes. We
Play games.
play games.
Yeah, it's fun.
Yeah, we do. You gonna get B-roll? Right above the dinette are two more cabinets. And we have storage bins up here with all kinds of stuff. Clips, tea lights, trash bags, tablecloths. I have a sewing kit. We have sunscreen. We keep just kind of all the miscellaneous stuff up here. And just like Mark did above the kitchen sink, he put in the wire shelving over here also.
Upside down so the lip on it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, on around here, right next to these cabinets, is just this random space. Tell us, you guys, if you have that in your camper, no matter what brand, and what they expect us to do with it.
Yeah.
Right above the stereo, we just keep our movies in there, but obviously only when we're parked, because if we were driving, they would all come out.
All right.
We have TV.
Yeah, a bigger TV.
Yeah, we thought, oh, we're gonna get a bigger TV than it calls for, and
Yeah.
it's quite large.
And I had to put a mount on it. It was insane.
Yeah.
Yeah. So anyway. You can put a big TV in here though.
Yeah. What is it, like 20? We don't even know.
It's like a 6 foot across.
It is not.
Okay.
Right back here in this blue bin, which is just like the ones above the bed, except it's blue. We've got games, puzzles, all kinds of fun for us to do while we're camping.
Yep.
Just across from the dinette is the sofa, which is jackknife, so it pulls out, which is nice. Mark can rig it so that he can like put his head over here and lay his feet over here and watch the TV.
It's the best.
It's all about chilling out.
King of comfort.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We got this, I don't know if you can tell, it's a B. It's like a 10B. I got it at Hobby Lobby, but to hold more magnets. And these are our precious children, and that family portraits that we did a couple years ago. Okay, and on the couch, another pillow from Zulily. Thought that was pretty cute. This, believe it or not, I found it at Cracker Barrel, like half price or something.
Love it.
It's so cute.
Mm-hmm.
This little throw is kind of fun, and I found it in Canton. They had like a whole camping booth one time. I don't know if y'all have ever been to Canton, but First Monday you should check it out. I got that there.
And there's actually some space behind the couch.
Yeah.
Yeah, when it's not jackknifed out, there's quite a bit of space back there.
Right.
And you can stick some stuff back there.
Above the couch are two more cabinets. And we really, I don't feel like have utilized this space very well, but you know,
It's very useful for me.
No, I mean like there's more space that we could use.
Sure.
That's what I mean, I guess.
Sure, yeah.
But Mark keeps all of his things that need charged back here.
It's like my charging station.
Yeah, he also Velcroed up here. We keep all of our remote controls, which is so handy because I don't know if y'all are like us, but we lose everything. This is handy because we always know where they are.
That's kind of like my garage up there.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's where I recharge everything.
Yeah. He's got, like I said, he's charging the walkie-talkies. He's got a watch that he has to charge.
The vacuum.
Yes, we have a cool vacuum that my mom got us, QVC. It is awesome. It's perfect. Let me show you.
And it's rechargeable, which is killer.
Yeah, and it's just perfect for the camper.
Yeah.
Like...
There she is vacuuming.
It's handy.
Yeah.
It really is.
Yeah, that is a handy one.
Yeah.
Oscar
Thank you,
doesn't like
Mimi.
the vacuum.
Oscar doesn't like the vacuum.
No.
See? Yeah. But yeah, like Mark said, the cool part is it recharges. Okay, so the bathroom. First of all, I have to show you this mirror that Mark, he got it for me for Valentine's Day. Because it's like special glass. What is it?
Yeah, plexiglass.
Plexiglass, so it's not super heavy.
Yeah.
I laughed, but really, it's so useful. We really like it. Ours didn't come with a mirror like that.
No.
Okay, so this is a shelf I got off of Zulily, I believe. That I just keep a bunch of stuff in up here, towels. It's just a nice little space
Sure is.
to have.
Mm-hmm. And then the towels below.
Oh yes, the towels below, my blow dryer. Okay, and then there's a sink, a little cabinet, a little counter, obviously, and then underneath another cabinet, which we keep toilet paper. There's a couple of first aid kits in here. Another one of these moisture collectors.
Let me see that. I didn't think these things worked at first, but man, those things fill up.
They really do.
They keep the moisture out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So on this side, this is the other corner across from the shower. We bought this thing on Amazon. It's like it's the whole line, I think.
It is.
But it's really handy for towels.
It's perfect,
So,
yeah. Perfect.
I brought our inside towels outside from our bathroom, and so we got all new towels inside. That's why we have so many out here. But, just cute little pictures.
And then that trash can down there.
Yes, this was a hack. I can't even remember where, maybe on Pinterest, but this is actually a cereal container. I threw away the lid because we never used it. And then I just put like a little Walmart bag over it, and it fits perfectly right there for a bathroom trash can.
It really does.
The shower in our bathroom. I use a command hook to hold this little non-stick mat, which is kind of handy. We travel with a pop-up laundry basket. And then when we get to somewhere, we put it kind of underneath the dinette, and that's where all our dirty clothes go. We found a hack, I can't even remember where this came from either, maybe Pinterest, of putting a tension rod across the top. And then I just hot glued these little mesh organizers, and we keep all of our shower stuff in here.
What do you mean you hot glued them?
I folded them over.
Oh, I didn't know you did that.
Yeah.
Oh, and stuck it through the rod at the top.
Exactly.
Yeah, perfect. Yeah.
We also have just kind of random command hooks hanging in here because we put our towels and, when we're actually camping, we'll hang up our towels so they'll dry and we can use them again. We also replaced the shower head that came with the camper with this Oxygenetics shower head.
Yeah, it's much better.
Saves water.
Yeah, pressure's better.
Yeah, the pressure's better.
Turns on and off.
This little button you can
it's
control.
Great.
Another thing that we did, we bought a screen protector for our door. Sometimes we take our dog with us. There he is, and he'll scratch, and this will keep him from
How's he
scratching.
scratch? Show us again.
He goes.
Nice.
Mark also added this little cute knob from Hobby Lobby, just kind of rustic. We didn't like the bar across from it, or the bar that goes across. So he wanted something a little more creative.
It works perfect too, yeah.
It does.
Yeah.
Thanks again for watching. If you're new, please subscribe, and don't forget to hit the like button and leave some comments below. Thanks. See ya.